Hi, welcome to my sewing room. Today I'm going to show you how to make this lunch bag. So today we're going to be focusing on interfacing, sturdy handles and also box corners. And I'm going to show you that these are actually relatively easy to do. So come on in, let's get started. For this project you will need 2 handle pieces, 2 interfacing pieces for your handles, 2 outer bag pieces, 2 lining pieces, and also 2 pieces of interfacing for your outer bag. You'll need a button and a needle and thread, your scissors, measuring tape or ruler, piece of cord, your sewing machine, matching thread and some pins. I put some double-sided tape on my cord here just to make it easier to keep it in place when sewing. Iron your interfacing onto your handles and your outer bag fabric pieces. Use the manufacturer's guidelines. Fold in like what I have done here on the handles and make them nice and sturdy. Then pin right round your outer bag and pin right round your lining. And then cut out 1.5 inch corners on both your lining pieces and your outer bag pieces. Sew down both sides of both handles, then snip away any loose threads. We're now ready to sew together the lining and also the outer bag. I have marked on a 1/2 inch seam allowance, you see here on these 4 edges. Use that as a guideline. The 1.5 inch corners here that we've marked off are to make box corners. Sew the sides and the base of your lining and of your bag. Press down this seam flat and now push out the corner piece, this 1.5 inch box corner. Align it up like so. Nice and flat, press it down, and we're now going to stitch a 1/2 inch seam. You see how these seams meet each other? That's very important for the straightness of your bag. Put a pin to keep it in place. And now sew a 1/2 inch seam. Turn your outer bag right side out and turn down a 1/2 inch from the top, tucking in that seams. Now place your lining fabric inside the outer bag, like so. Open up the seams, match them up to the seams on your outer bag. And now we're going to pin all the way right round. Okay, so now 3.5 inches in from your seam, we're going to put in the first part of your first handle. 3.5 inches in from the other seam is where the other side of this handle will go. Do the same for the other handle on the other side of the bag. Your bag should now look like this with your 2 handles in place. To put your cord in place, measure halfway between one handle. Now we're going to stitch right the way around. Remove the sleeve from your sewing machine so that you can get your bag right on. Top stitch all the way around the bag, making sure that the lining doesn't slip down. We're nearly there now, we just need to put the button in place. So find the centre point, just double check before you stitch this on. Okay, so now that you've sewn the button on the front, that's your finished bag. This is a great little lunch bag, sewn in under 20 minutes once you get the hang of it. Good sturdy bag, fit your juice, your snacks, whatever. Also could be a great toilet bag or a small handbag, whatever, and a great gift for somebody. If you like this tutorial, feel free to subscribe to my channel and please give me a wee like below. And if you visit my website, you can get more details on how to make this bag, or you can get inspiration from the other fabrics and bags that I make there. Great, so thanks for joining me See you next time.